Hello and welcome back to the PassFab channel. If your Android device is locked with a PIN, password, fingerprint, or pattern, and you can't recall any of them, don't panic or think the phone is useless. In this video, I'll walk you through how to factory reset almost any Android phone without needing the lock screen password. These methods work on most Android brands and models. Before you start, ensure your phone battery is well charged or keep the phone plugged in to avoid unexpected shutdowns. The first method is to manually force a factory reset. I'll be showing this using a Samsung device. Press and hold the power button and volume down button together until you see the power off menu and the screen goes black. Without releasing the power button, move your other finger from the volume down button to the volume up button. Hold it for a few seconds, and the recovery mode screen should appear. Use the volume keys to scroll through the menu and use the power button to select. Scroll to Wipe Data/Factory Reset and confirm it. When you return to the main menu, choose Wipe Cache Partition and confirm again. After that, return to the main screen, select Reboot, and wait for the device to complete the reset. Once it restarts, you'll see the welcome page to begin setting up your phone. However, you might run into one more challenge: Google FRP, Factory Reset Protection. This feature may prompt you to enter the previously used PIN, password, or Google account details. If you remember the info, simply enter it and continue. But if you've forgotten those details, that's where the second method helps. The second method is to use a professional-grade tool, PassFab Android Unlock. This software can remove Android lock screens, passwords, and even bypass Google Factory Reset Protection. Download and install it using the link provided in the description. Open the software and you'll see the home interface. Click Remove Google FRP, choose your phone brand, Samsung in this example, and select the correct Android version. Hit Remove Now, connect your device with a USB cable, and the tool will detect it automatically. The FRP bypass process will begin, and your phone may restart multiple times until the process completes. Once your device restarts for setup, you'll notice you can now skip the Google login screen and proceed without entering any previous credentials. Tap Skip, finish the setup steps, and within seconds, you'll be back on your home screen. And that's how you can reset any Android device when you can't remember your PIN or password. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.